So hi everyone. Basically regarding the next updates. So I am going to take up those questions which I got in the comment section in the last video. All the commonly asked FAQs for next. The most important which I think people are asking me is that will INI-CET be integrated with the next? See, that was the bigger idea, the bigger picture with the next was that India will have only one exam for post graduation for getting your temporary and your permanent degree, and that would be the next. But looking at today's scenario, INI-CET has already integrated all the central universities. So, if you ask me, is there a concrete information? I'm sorry, there is no concrete information whether INI-CET will be mixed with the next. In the future, it might be, but till 2023 I don't think so it will be there. They will be both the examinations, INI-CET for the central and next for the rest of the country. But again, looking at the government's unpredictability, they might give a new information, because if you look at the time gap between today and next 2023, there are a lot of months. So you can expect a lot of new information in the upcoming times. There will be a lot of changes as well. So you can, for now, you can think that both INI-CET and next will be two separate bodies. Okay, so I'm going to read these questions together. So if someone is doing UG from Karnataka and hometown is in Delhi, which state quota they will get? So state quota will be from the state which you are doing your college, you are doing your undergraduation from. So if it's from Karnataka, then Karnataka state quota will count. Should post interns appear for both next one and next two to get a PG seat? As per current scenario, you post interns and post interns in 2023 will only have to appear for next 2020, next one, and not the next two. Okay, as per my own speculation. The government may finalize something else in the later stage. I do not know about that. But looking at the current scenario, interns and post interns will have to give only the next one. Okay, they will give the next one, they will get a separate list, and then they will start their post graduation immediately. The junior batch, they will be basically giving the next one and then starting their internship, then giving the next two next year, and only then they can start their post graduation. So this is how it is going to be. So please clarify which exam will be there for 2017 batch. In my own speculated guess, it will be the next one only, which the 2017 and the senior batches have to give. And I am from 2018 batch. When I pass this exam, I can go to internship. Can I repeat this exam while I'm in internship? Or if my marks are low, do I need to repeat without going to internship? So basically the government may, please mark this point, the government may finalize a lock-in system where when you give your next one, they will give you two options. First, that will be choose your PG seat, start your internship. After next two, start your post-graduation. Or they will basically ask you to lock in your score. Now that locked in score will be with you for the next, I think my speculation is 3 years. For those 3 years, the score will be with you. And after those 3 years, you can reattempt the next examination. In those 3 years, you cannot reattempt the next examination. Only after those 3 years, you can reattempt the next examination. And in those 3 years, you can appear in any counseling, put your score forward, and they will be happily giving you the seat available at that score. And if you want to get a chance to reattempt the next one, to actually get a better score, I believe that they will be asking you to drop a year. Only then you will be able to give the examination again. What about Prof 3 Part 2 exam? Will it be merged with next? No. Prof 3 Part 2 exam will be conducted by the university. It will be an internal examination. Now that is a big change from the previous system, where till today final prof is supposed to be the degree giving examination. Only after clearing your final prof you are able to get a temporary degree. You become a doctor. But now that power has been shifted away from the final prof to next one. Next one you need to clear to get your temporary degree. Will next be a 3-day exam or single session exam like NEET? So basically what the government gave in a student discussion body was that next is supposed to be a 3-day examination, overall 6 parts, and with 540 MCQs. That is how next is supposed to be. if we pass step 1, will I be doing internship in my college where I studied, or the NMC would allot me a college according to my marks? Where would I do my 10-month internship, then appear for step 2 and then continue my PG? This is from Dark Emperor. Okay, good name. But my friend, you will continue your internship in your college only. It's a very complicated question that you have put here, but my own guess is that you will continue your internship in your own college only, and after getting a PG seat for after next one, you will be allotted, your post graduation will start only when you clear next two, and then only after completion of your internship and next two you will be able to start a post graduation. नीट पीजी के लिए मैं ऑलरेडी आपको अपनी डेट बता चुका हूँ, विच इज़ माई ओन स्पेकुलेशन. इट इज़ नॉट अ कॉन्क्रीट डेट. कॉन्क्रीट डेट सिर्फ गवर्नमेंट बता सकती है आपको. Only the government can tell you the concrete date, but my own speculation is, looking at the scenario, is mid-September. Until unless there is a third wave and government again postpones the exam, उसमें हम कुछ नहीं कर सकते. But my own speculation, if things stay normal, is mid-September. What about those जो 2012-2013 बैचेस के हैं, क्या वो एलिजिबल हैं पीजी के लिए 2023 में या नहीं? डॉक्टर अमन दुबे, दैट्स अ लॉ के लिए मैं आपको कोई स्टेटमेंट पास नहीं कर सकता. बट इफ दे डू नॉट, they do not find if they do not take out a law against this statement, I think you will be able to give the examination in the next 2023. What about 2017 FMG batch? Please clarify. I believe that 2017 FMG batch will also be able to give next one only, and they will also get a separate seating. They will get a separate list for FMGs only, and they will be given what I believe, like today it is 50% for FMG students, they will be given a similar passing percentage. So I believe they will give, for example, if let's assume it is 50% again, let's assume, okay, then they will be asked to clear FMG next one by getting 50%. So now they are Indian based license, and to get into NEET PG they will have to to get into Indian postgraduate seat they will have to clear a tad above and get into the fighting list. So if they get a rank, they will be clearing FMG and getting a seat in a simultaneously. So that's what I believe will be happening with FMGs. But again, there is no concrete information about next for the FMG. This is my own speculation, and I'm going to repeat it again. So FMGs will give the next one examination only, and there will be a list where they will be asked to clear out a certain percentage. For example, today it is 50%. So imagine 50% again. So whoever clears 50%, now they are Indian medical licensee. And now if they want to get an Indian postgraduate seat, so in that exam only they have to get in the ranking list, and everyone will now be counseled upon that list. So for example, you get rank 1 in the next one, you will be eligible for a radio seat in MAMC, for example. Okay, so that is how it is going to be. Okay, NEET PG 2022 date, my friend Nitin, 21 तो होने दो यार, पहले 21 हो जाए फिर 22 की हम बात करेंगे. Shubha, and will NEET PG be conducted for 2015, 16, 17 batches separately even when the next has come from 23? I don't believe it. I don't think so. I think there will be a single examination only. Only the rank segregation will be of interns and post-interns and junior batches. So when will be NEET 2022? No idea yaar abhi to. What about senior doctor? Already they have an MBBS degree. They should also write next to? No, I don't think so. I think the interns and the post-interns, especially the post-interns, will not be asked to write next to. Okay, but that is again not a concrete news, but that is my own opinion, that they will not be asked, since they have already cleared the internship, they will not be asked to write next to. Only the junior batches who are yet to clear the internship will be asked to write the next to. So 2017 batch and above. When I talk about post-interns, I talk about 2017 batch and senior, 16, 15, 14. Those are the post-interns. Sir, will interns and post interns write next part 2 or part 1 and 2 when they appear in 2023? So post interns most likely are not supposed to write next 2. They will be only supposed to write next 1. But wait for the proper government notification on this. सर नीट पीजी करा दो, प्लीज डू समथिंग, हेल्प अस, वी आर ऑलरेडी वेरी लेट. बेटा सुजॉय, मैं खुद परेशान हूँ नीट पीजी के लिए, मगर अब सरकार जो कर रही है वो भी हमें भी फॉलो करना, वो आपको ही फॉलो करना है, हमारा उस पर कोई जोर नहीं है. सो लेट्स जस्ट वेट एंड वॉच. विल रिटर्न पेपर बी देयर और नॉट? आपके जो चारों प्रॉफ थे, फर्स्ट टू फोर्थ प्रॉफ, दे विल बी रिटर्न पेपर्स एंड दे विल बी इन योर कॉलेज एंड दे विल बी कंडक्टेड बाय योर यूनिवर्सिटी और कॉलेज. ओके, उसके अंदर एनएमसी का कोई रोल नहीं है. एनएमसी का रोल शुरू होगा नेक्स्ट 1 से. सो नेक्स्ट 1 विल बी कंडक्टेड बाय द एनएमसी. ओके, if one cannot secure a seat of his or her choice, will he or she get another chance, or the seat he or she will get is final? So again I am telling you that you will be asked to either choose 2 options to start your internship. Either choose a seat or lock in your score. That is my own speculation. If you are not happy with the 2 options, तुम्हारा score अच्छा नहीं है, or you are not happy with the seat you are getting, the government will say that okay, you can now drop 1 full year and then give the examination again next year. All right, at that point of time you can choose either of the 3. You drop 1 year, then again give the examination again next year, next one. All right, and uske baad you choose the first 2 options, choose a seat, postgraduate seat, or lock in your score. Only then you can start your internship. Sir, if a final year gets rank 1 or rank 2 but he cannot join residency without internship, what will happen to that situation? Will he join residency without internship, or his rank will be carried forward next year? If this, how can we judge 2023 competitors with 2024 competitors? Won't there be like discrepancy between percentile as it has happened every year till now? This seems very unfair. Please clarify this doubt. Sunaina, it's a very very good question. ठीक है, इट्स अ वेरी गुड क्वेश्चन. एंड अगर मैं आपसे, एंड टू बी वेरी फ्रैंक, दिस इज अगेन अ सिंपल मैटर ऑफ लॉ. हाउ एनएमसी प्रोवाइड्स अस अ, ओनली एनएमसी कैन प्रोवाइड अ क्लैरिफिकेशन ऑन दिस स्टेटमेंट. ठीक है, मैं आपको क्लैरिफाई कर ही नहीं सकता बिकॉज देयर इज नो क्लियर आंसर ऑन इट. अब ये तो वो क्लैरिफिकेशन वाले बताएंगे. ओनली दिस कैन बी ओनली टोल्ड बाय द एनएमसी दैट व्हाट इज द फाइनल आंसर टू दिस पर्टिकुलर स्टेटमेंट. बट हैट्स ऑफ टू यू फॉर दिस वेरी detailed and again a complicated question. But I am really sorry, but if a final year gets a rank 1 or rank 2, he will have to start his internship, and only after completing his internship and passing his next 2, he will be able to start his seat. Okay, so if a final year student get rank 1 in rank 1 NEET next one, and then he chooses MAMC radiology, only after this all things he will be able to start his radiology after his next 2 examination, and that is next year, not that current year, next year. Which batch is going to face the next 2023 for the first time? Will it be MBBS batch 2018 or 19 batch? It will be 18 batch. Okay, so apart from lot of questions, many were repeats. So these were the most probable questions that I got. If some of your queries have been left unanswered, you can very well put in the comment section. I'll try to find more information, and please, I'm repeating myself. These are my speculated answers regarding the big picture, regarding a lot of concepts, and only the government can clear out small chinks in your queries that are like very very targeted based queries. Okay, as the last by Sunaina, so only the government can clear that. Apart from that, I hope I'm able to solve most of your queries, giving you a big picture. Rest, let's wait for a clear government notification, and again focus on your concepts. If your concepts are concrete, you will be able to answer and crack any kind of examination. All right, best of luck.